Hey, if you're a science lover like me, you're about to add a new spot to your bucket list. We're talking about the Chicago Museum of Science and Industry. Yeah, the one packed with crazy cool exhibits that make you feel like a kid again, no matter how old you are. Now, this place isn't just big, it's massive, over 400,000 square feet of pure discovery. Imagine walking into a real underground coal mine. Yep, they built one right inside the museum. You get to ride the elevator down, hear the rumble of mining machines, and feel what it's like to be a miner for a day. It's hands-on, a little gritty, and super immersive. But wait, there's more. Ever wanted to see an actual World War II German submarine? They have one, the U-505. You can step inside, twist the dials, and picture yourself on a mission deep underwater. And don't even get me started on the giant model railroad or the interactive Science Storms exhibit, where you can make your own tornado indoors. Yes, you heard that right. A tornado you can actually control. What I love most is how this museum isn't about just staring at stuff behind glass. It's about getting your hands dirty, tinkering, pushing buttons, and letting your curiosity run wild. Whether you're into space, robots, or just want to know how things work, there's something here that'll blow your mind. So, if you ever find yourself in Chicago, grab your inner nerd and go explore. Who knows? You might just discover something that changes the way you see the world. Like and subscribe for more amazing destinations.